Morning everyone, it's Laura the Quarantine Gardener. Just want to show you the perennial beds here which have really come on, and as you can see here, lovely cultivated achillea. And then of course, as always with cultivated plants, they do revert back to the more natural form. So there again is achillea or yarrow in its cultivated form. The low geranium at the front of the bed. The rudbeckia then will be later before it comes into flower. Osteospermums, a lovely splash of colour there in the bed. And then of course, the real showstoppers at this time of the year in the bed, the lupins. Absolutely stunning. You can see a ridge around there beginning to put up some of the daisy flowers, and this will be a great ground cover at the front of the bed, which hopefully will reduce weeding in later years. It really spreads over time. But again, the stunning beauty that is the lupins, and then framed with the catmint at the back there, really beautiful. And here you can see a ridge around really coming into its own with that lovely spiky metallic green and silver foliage, which will open to a blue flower, but even the foliage itself is a really lovely, stunning in the bed here. And then just that long lupins, little one of a red hot poker peeking out from underneath. Again, we have the scabious. So all the blues and purples really looking well here. And again, first little rudbeckia flower there in the middle of that clump. And yeah, the bees are hopping from the geraniums, as you can see there. They're covered in the geraniums there, and they move between the lupins, the catmint, the geraniums. They're fond of all of those in this bed. So again, those stunning purple spires that just frame the whole bed here. Okay, so I just thought I'd show you what's looking good at the moment, and yeah, I hope you're really enjoying a little bit of a reprieve from the heat, which will be back I think later in the week, but lovely to have that mix of heat and rain today, so great growing weather. All right everybody, happy gardening.